Right, where are we, darling?
We've taken a day out to visit the Chateau de Valandry.
Hang on then. Hold on. That's where we are. That makes it easy.
We've been here once before with the children about 15 or 16 years ago, but today we've come back to go inside to the chateau because there is a heritage day and we need to get some inspiration for this salon that we're really struggling with.
We do, yes. And I'm just going to zoom and just sort of show part of it. This place is gorgeous. Proper chateau, eh, darling?
It certainly is.
And actually, we might have to rush and leave you because they're doing a tour. So we'll try and fill you in a bit more as we go round. So we made our way into there. Thankfully, I bought my really expensive drone, so I can do an aerial shot of the place. Here we go.
I'm just going to send it up.
Yeah, it's going up. There we go. And that is how stunning the gardens are outside, how symmetrical they are. So the bit I just showed you, the courtyard. Voila. And then we just come into this, so we're actually in this building here. We'll have a good look around the chateau. And then we'll wander out and spend about 4 hours walking around the gardens, I think. So the very first room, well, I sent the drone up, noticed the wallpaper.
So it looks like flocked paper, but actually
When you feel it,
it's fabric. So they are fabric with a trim around the outside, which is another option I was trying to steer away from because of the fireplace being open. But it's still an option, possibly.
I mean, quite a few people have said that with fabric, but I can see, if you can explain how, what we got joins. They're strange, aren't they? Like as if they were hanging wallpaper. In the drawing room now, this is interesting. So all the panels are painted, and all they've done is put photos in. The last section here, why not hang the rug up? But a lot of this in here is fabric and silks. Every panel themselves has just got a photo in. So Carol managed to persuade someone,
Emily,
hello Emily, who is now giving us a private tour of the place and actually explaining quite a lot of stuff we weren't quite sure about on our chateau.
and I've just asked her to come and give us a private tour of our chateau.
She says only if she gets a breakfast, an English breakfast. Well, let's have a look round. But we are learning things, so yeah, let's carry on with the tour. Well, we're on the first floor, which is where all the bedrooms are, and what we have noticed is this flower design, exactly the same as what we got in our chateau.
Above the fireplace.
Yeah, above the fireplaces. And also, I'll come across on the ceiling, you'll see all the shells, which again, are identical to what we've got on ours. The flower again, in the middle. So, there's a lot of similarities in this chateau, even though we're 2 hours south of our place. Most of the rooms here, they've kept all the shutters closed, mainly because sunlight fading, materials, etc. Another thing which I actually never knew, but she said to us that even the moonlight has the same effect. But oh my god, this room, this is Carol's room, this is a scary room.
This is creepy.
Horrible, isn't it? I mean, the photos they have in here, wow. Oh my god. That could have been me if I hadn't done the salon floor. I think I'm going to leave this room. I feel like I'm in the haunted house. It's that one at Disneyland, isn't it? Yes. So this long hallway, as you can see, the much nicer pictures now involved along here. And at the end of the hallway, very succulent materials. And what have we got in here? Wow. Right, so now I've just seen this, I'll let you guys see it. I can't imagine Carol's going to get up and gold foil it like that.
It's not foil, it's gold leaf.
Whatever it is, you won't be doing that. Okay, so this is the princess bedroom. That's a small bed, but what Carol did straight away, she's bound to it, is a gold leaf being put round the top and the coving. Carol didn't paint the sky on ours. For me, a very strange room. I'm not sure I could go to sleep in this room. But very nice.
These are panelled with silk as well.
Right, so it's not paper again. The lady was saying, wasn't she though, that the trouble with the silk, it will fade with sunlight and moonlight. So I feel like you'd constantly have to keep the shutters closed. So in another bedroom, speaking to someone earlier, they were explaining to us because of the size of the beds. I couldn't believe it, and it's because the beds are too big for the rooms. They put in, and then it's an illusion with a bed, but actually this is smaller than what it would have been. But this one actually has an ensuite. Yeah, very nice. Anyhow, one thing we did see is you can see the marble fireplace. Voila! But what we did notice is that if I come round, there isn't someone saying that they painted the boards like Cal was doing, the wooden boards to look like marble. So again, that's good to see that someone else has done the same thing. Floor, first time I've seen this kind of style of flooring, but actually this bit here with the centerpiece, small centerpiece, actually is very similar to what we've got, if I've got it right, in our salon. So it all works around this small piece, which ours is about the same size actually. So I'm quite excited to get that floor down and see how it looks. But one thing you notice again, Cal, is nothing on the walls.
All the panels are plain.
Yes.
They're just painted plain, and they've hung the portraits and other lovely photo paintings.
Wow, these ones are a little bit nicer to look at than the last room. But yeah.
So maybe we should just buy a collection of frames from the Brocante.
Yep.
And put family portraits in them.
Tuck up Dulux or Crown and see if we can just paint the panels. Job done. Easy. But no, we're not going to do that. So we noticed a few of these rooms and the fireplace have these gold circles on the side, like plates up there. Again, they've got the flower on again, which we've been told is very popular for this region. But it's an air vent. Now what I will find out is exactly why these are here, because I don't know, but I'm going to ask someone. Well, this is a brighter bedroom. This is very similar-ish layout to ours, the bed in the middle in the alcove. On the side here, well, this is a bath. You certainly wouldn't be seen in that. I'm going to call it a modesty bath. And also what we noticed on the side, what we've been calling a modesty door. So whether you can get changed, I don't know. We thought, like ours, you can go through that door and you end up in where the bed is. which would make sense as there's the bed. But there's a wall there. Now, I'm going to ask when I see someone, they may have, when they're renovating the space, I've just brought the wall forward. There's a bit of a mess behind. So I can't see where else that would go. And then a little changing room this side. But no door on this one. Well, I spoke to the lady walking around Gare, and unfortunately she had no idea what the door, where it goes. She also didn't know anything about the fireplace. But the reason I thought I'd show you this now is, see what you see, there's wallpaper for once in this room. But also, when you wander out of your bedroom, what a view you have when you get up in the morning. The moat, the courtyard. I'll tell you what, I don't think Carol and I could look after our gardens and look like this. Not a chance, but wow. So now we're in the lady's house, the lady of the house.
That's me.
This is your bedroom. One thing that gives it away is the floor. The detailing in this floor is incredible. Very slippery where they've waxed it and varnished it actually.
They've also got huge gaps like yours.
Yes, that goes to see they move. The timbers, you can't stop timbers moving around. Now, I saw that and I thought, wow, we found actually a bedroom that's got wallpaper. How wrong I was. It's fabric again. No modesty doors on this one. But this is the largest alcove. We've never seen actually, have we? A double bed, one that large.
Apart from ours.
So it just goes to show that the lady gets the best bedroom in the house. Looks like I'm still in the cellar. Another interesting thing to see is we're in the stairways of the house. And we've got this on our roof where we've just got a place to hang. I thought maybe a chandelier or something. But in here, we just hang a very long chain down through the stairs. And then one light put halfway down, clearly to is sufficient enough just to light the lower part of the stairs. But as I said, that sort of shows to me that we don't need to be putting a big chandelier at the top of our stairs. Clearly they haven't done that here. So we're in the top floor of the chateau, which originally was where the servants lived. Very nice. What we did find talking to the guides here is they then, what year was it? 19th century, wasn't it? They said they'd converted it from being the servants live up here, decided to have the children up here. Great idea. Get your children living on a separate floor to yourselves. Hence why we see looking like this. Again though, all the panels painted, no paper, only fabric again behind that bed. But I'd live in this bedroom looking at that view. Definitely. We got a gardener. Unfortunately, it's your mum and Alf who are in England at the moment.
I've just noticed there's no parquet flooring up here. It's all tiled.
Because it was the servants that lived up here. So coal tiles. So at last, a large panelled wall, which again, is that paper, Carol? Fabric? What is it?
It's all fabric.
It's all fabric. So actually now,
and also,
we can do what we like if we use fabric. That's all fabric as well. They don't like paper. So just when you think your woodworking skills are getting good, wow. This is for the children to play with. An exact copy. The detail on this is incredible. I am gobsmacked by that. Absolutely incredible. Someone had too much time on their hands. Obviously no TV back then. I feel like I've got a drone again in my hands. zooming over. Well, found the sunbathing spot. This is absolutely ideal. Although I'm surprised Carol's Carol is up here. When did you come up here? Typical, wherever the sun is, you end up. What a view, hey? Finished in the chateau. Chateau is spectacular, but what really does it for me for this place is the gardens. I mean, I think they employ a lot more gardeners than they do people looking after the chateau, but absolutely impressive gardens here. I mean, this is on par for me with Versailles. Actually, I think it might even be better actually. But every little area is spectacular. Carol said, when are we getting a fountain? So we've got a swimming pool and a fountain now. I'm dreading what's going to be next. Guarantee Carol's going to ask me about a fountain again. Can't think of anything worse at the moment. Although, in the lavoir, swimming pool as well.
No, it's the fountain of youth.
Oh,
How
God.
old do I look?
Oh, stood next to that. It's 26.
Hold on. Now how old do I look?
106. You put the wrong water on your face. Very nice. Can't beat the sound of water. Feel like I'm back on the yacht or something like that. So by luck, we just stumbled across this gentleman who's a stonemason. He did actually work in England as well. He's going to show Carol how to do some work on it.
I think I'll stand back.
Do you know what? That is softer than I thought. Oh my God, you're a pro already. Wow.
Hold your the hammer there.
Yeah. Well, yes. Watch out.
It's easier.
And I guess the biggest problem is making sure you don't dig the chisel in too deep, so you'll end up with a line.
You have to just move your.
That's how you do it. I'm just going to zoom in on to show that how soft. This is exactly the stone that we need to repair on our chateau.
Yeah, it's really soft.
It is it?
It's very messy as well.
Well, there you go. There's another job for you to do.
You're doing a marvellous job.
Thank you very much. And he's also advised us how to clean it. So we were all told by friends that the best thing is ammonia. That's a big no on this stove. Do not use ammonia. So we're going to have a go at cleaning it.